Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the Wi-Fi calling test by using the Jio SIM card and the video call test also by using the Jio SIM card. These are two-in-one video friends which I thought of including in one single video, so all your doubts will be cleared. So whether the Realme X7 Max can do the Wi-Fi calling and whether it supports any kind of video calling or not by using the default dialer. The only question is that some mobile phones they take to the Duo application for doing the default video calling, but let's see this phone whether it taking the Duo application or there is an inbuilt video calling as well from Jio to Jio. That is what I'm going to check. As you can see, this is an exact variant Realme X7 Max, and this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers, as you can see. So please do the Wi-Fi calling test on the Realme X7 Max, and that is the reason I thought of doing this kind of video Wi-Fi calling test from this Realme X7 Max device. So I thought of adding even the video calling test as well, so which will be quite interesting to see whether this phone actually supports or not. So right now I'm trying to use the Jio SIM card at this moment, as you can clearly see friends, Jio SIM card, and there's an option which is called the Wi-Fi calling is on, as you can clearly see here. So you can select the option as well whenever you want. I did select the Wi-Fi calling preferred, as you can see, done. So let me try to turn on the Wi-Fi network. I'm trying to turn on the Wi-Fi network. What will happen? Let's see. As soon as you turn on the Wi-Fi network, on the top of the notification panel, you should be able to see this kind of Wi-Fi symbol. As you can see friends, Wi-Fi and the call symbol will be coming. So right now the Realme X7 Max, you can do the Wi-Fi calling directly from this device. That is what it means. Let me try to quickly connect the dialer. So whenever you call any kind of number, you do get this kind of symbol which is a Wi-Fi. So which is really good to know that you know exactly you are dialing to the Wi-Fi network, not from normal network. So that's a really good advantage of getting to know the Wi-Fi symbol, which is really good. And the default, the Realme X7 Max supports the Wi-Fi calling without any kind of problem. So it is a live proof which we got. So let me try to do the dialing again. As you can see friends, as soon as you dial the call, you will get this kind of Wi-Fi symbol clearly. The Wi-Fi symbol is also enabled on the top. You can see even the notification as well. So you do get this kind of symbols, which is the Wi-Fi symbol. If you do the normal calling without Wi-Fi, let me try to quickly disconnect the Wi-Fi. Let's see what will happen if I try to disconnect. As soon as I disconnect the Wi-Fi, you can see the Wi-Fi symbol is completely disappeared. As you can see friends, overall the Realme X7 Max supports the Wi-Fi calling without any kind of issues, so you should not be worried. So now let's check the number 2, which is a video calling support in the Realme X7 Max with the default thing. So let's see whether it will take into Duo or not. I think it takes the Duo. My guess would be, let me try to call my other number right now. As you can see friends, right now we did get this kind of option which is called the video call option. Let me try to click on the video call. Let's see where it will try to take. I think it's not taking anywhere else. It's taking the default dialer only. It's not taking to the Google dialer. You can see that I am getting the call in another phone as well, and clearly see the difference. So overall friends, it did not take anywhere to the Google dialer at all using this kind of video calling test which is in the Realme X7 Max device. So this is a quick review you did get right now. I'm not using the default dialer. Let me try to go back. As you can see, I'm using only the default dialer only, not the Google Duo. It did not take to the Google Duo. That is what I'm thinking. The Google Duo is here. So if you notice the Google Duo, I did not even log in as well. As you can clearly see friends, in the Google Duo application, you can clearly see that I did not even log in this phone. So I think the video call is possible with the default dialer only in this Realme X7 Max. That's also another 2 things we got the confirmation that Wi-Fi calling is there, and Google Duo is also not playing any kind of role in the video call. So default dialer only, you can actually do the video call without help of Google Duo. That is what the clarification is. And thank you for watching this video friends, and in case if you have any this kind of queries, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I will be able to do this kind of videos for other smartphones as well. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.